What are the best vitamins and supplements you can take to support yourself during Purim and help your recovery afterwards? Well, if it's nausea, you got to include ginger, either the powdered ginger from in your kitchen or fresh raw ginger you can grate or slice up a few pieces, boil it up, or just put it in a hot cup of water and sip that through the day. Ginger helps your digestion and it helps to ease feelings of nausea, headache, and unwellness. Now, the other thing that alcohol does, it disrupts the vitamin B's in the blood because it's a diuretic. Now, vitamin B6 is particularly supportive for recovery from overuse of alcohol. I prefer to take a B complex rather than single Bs, but B6 has been researched to help with hangover. If you have a B complex, the best one is a methylated form because it crosses the blood-brain barrier and supports the brain and helps you feeling right as rain as soon as possible. The last is vitamin C, because during this period we tend not to get the sleep we should be getting, and alcohol does suppress the immune system. So taking an extra dose of vitamin C, anywhere between 500 to 1,000 milligrams 1 to 3 times a day, will help up your immune system and help you move through the recovery phase as quickly as possible. Just before I end, my 2 favorite homeopathic remedies for recovering from overuse of alcohol is Arsenicum album and Nux vomica. Nux vomica is particularly important to support liver function. It helps if there's any nausea, and Arsenicum album helps with vomiting if one's had too much alcohol. So these are great preventative homeopathic remedies that are available along with some vitamin and good old ginger. Wishing you a wonderful recovery.